अपराध में जीवन चरित कथा कितना से काम से हम सरल कर रहे हैं। कृष्णा कविराज गोस्वामी वर्णन करके जा रहे हैं।
We were hearing the glories of Sripad Rupa Goswami Pad from Chaitanya Charitamrita and the continuation of the class. We were hearing previously that Rupa Goswami Pad, when he met Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the holy place of Prayag, where Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati, the confluence of three rivers. When he met in Prayag, at that time Sriman Mahaprabhu 10 days he spoke about Bhaktiras Katha to Sripad Rupa Goswami Pad. Mahaprabhu said these things: Hey Rup, this Bhakti Rasa Sindhu, in this material world there are so many oceans of material world, and it is so deep also. But in the spiritual world, this Bhakti Rasa Sindhu there is no measurement. Do you know about Prashant Mahasagar, the Pacific Ocean? It's called Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean.
Hare Krishna. Sound is okay? Hare Bol. That one. So we are talking about the glories of Srila Rupa Goswami Pad. एक बंदा उधर बैठो, वो चेक करने के लिए, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है, वैसे साउंड परफेक्ट है उसका, है ना? So how you can judge that the ocean water is sour? So maybe you have you been to Jagannath Puri? So if you go to Jagannath Puri, so if you taste the water of the ocean of Jagannath Puri, so you cannot drink that water, it is so much sour. So we were taking the shower, bath there, because they are taking so much enjoy there, because the ocean waves of the oceans are so nice. वेस्ट बंगाल का भी कम है, नहीं वेस्ट बंगाल का कौन सा? So in the Mumbai there is a Arab Sagar. कौन सा है वो सारे सागर और
स्नान करने के बाद आपको
गंगा सागर का भी ठीक है, मतलब मिनिमम वो है 100 बट गंगा सागर वाटर इज ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस, आई हैव बीन देयर.
जब हमने जिस कथा
So the katha we were hearing about, that how we can taste, how we can know that water is sour.
उसमें कितना आनंद है वो
So there is so much pleasure in the ocean of bhakti. So who can describe this?
लोगों को पता नहीं है भक्ति समुद्र क्या है.
People doesn't aware about that what is ocean, and what is bhakti actually. They are not aware about this.
लोग सोचते हैं
People thinks generally
किसी देव देवल देव के
that worshipping with somebody's demigods and demigoddess and offer the flowers to them, so it is worship.
हाथ जोड़ लो काली काली हो गणेश
And there are Kali, Ganesh,
हो. यहाँ तक भी
even
पेड़ पौधे केले आदि
trees, banana trees, and the trees. The peoples are worshipping them also.
करके
So from morning
जबरदस्त
from morning to from morning to afternoon they used to go carrying lota, one kinds of pots, and they are doing parikrama and offering water, good,
बतासा और
batasha, good, chana. So,
इलायची आदि
so they used to have some sweets, they used to have some sindoor, they put the tilak on the stones, on the trees, and they do parikrama.
क्या करते हैं वो जमीन छोड़ा देते हैं
They used to tie some kinds of thread there
पीपल आदि पेड़ में
in the people and other trees.
लोग उसकी क्या करते हैं
So people thinks that this is bhakti. Actually this is not bhakti.
सुबह से 3 बजे बाद 4
So-
बजे से उठ करके नहा धोआ करके स्नान आदि करके बस
So from morning to 3 a.m.
उनकी महाप्री
till 12 afternoon, so they are going here and there, this temple and that temple, this tree to that tree, so they are thinking this is bhakti. Actually this is not bhakti.
भक्ति की जो कहानी है सर्वपादी विनिर्मुक्तम
What is bhakti? Sarvapatir vinurmuktam bhaktiruttashate.
सर्वपादी विनिर्मुक्तम
Sarvapadir vinurmuktam.
पादी से रहित होता है.
So everybody has to free from all kinds of designation. Designation. So after that what happens? Your heart will be pure, your heart will be clean. So who is the father of all senses? Bhagwan, Rishikesha. So serving him it is called bhakti. That's why recite the shloka. ताई गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल. ओम विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र शिष्य भक्ति वेदांश गुरुदेवन महाराज की जय. So everybody must have the tendency of service. So what is the simple meaning of bhakti? Bhajyate sevyate iti bhakti. Service, tendency of service. So you must have this kinds of tendency of service towards Bhagwan. This is called bhakti. If you are not serving Bhagwan, so this is not bhakti. That's why. So people are not aware about that what is bhakti actually. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Rup Goswami Pad, Rup, listen, bhaktir rasir lakshana. Listen the symptoms of bhakti ras. One is bhakti and another is bhakti ras. So earlier people thinks that bhakti is bhakti ras, but when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, so by the Rup Goswami Pad, he told that what is bhakti actually, bhakti, what is bhakti and what is bhakti ras. How ras makes, how we can make juice.
सामग्री मिलाने है तरह
So when all the ingredients mix up, there are four kinds of ingredients.
साइन हम के ऊपर आ जाता है
Then they come on sthai bhav, then it becomes ras, juice, mix up.
जैसे सुंदर एक आपको ड्रिंक बनाना है
Just like if you have to make a beautiful, if a tasty drink, so what you need water,
जल
you need pure water,
निर्मल जल चीनी चाहिए
you need sugar,
कपूर चाहिए
you need camphor, you need little bit salt,
इलायची का नाम चाहिए
and you need the cinnamon,
कपूर भी चाहिए
cinnamon,
काली मिर्च भी चाहिए
you need the cloves, you need the black pepper,
नींबू भी चाहिए
you need lemon.
ये समझकर जो
So all kinds of ingredients you need for making a tasty drink.
तो आप उसके प्रोपोर्शन के अनुसार है,
So according to their proportion, you have to mix up that. Yes.
तो आपको जो है ड्रिंक अच्छा लगेगा
Then that drink will be tasty. Then you can make a party. Then everybody will drink that, so all will enjoy.
कितने जल में कितना परिमाण
So what you have to think about the measurement, that how portion you have to mix what things. You must have the knowledge about how much sugar you have to mix up in that.
आम रस बनाया आपने,
Just like you have made the amras mango
आम रस
shake,
बनाया उसमें क्या
how you made the amras, the mango shake. So how much sugar you need? First you take out the pulp from the mangoes.
फिर उसमें क्या क्या बर्फ जल
Then you
में
add some water,
और
ice, milk, sugar.
सुधा डाला मिल्क
दही भी डाला.
दही डाला और दूध डाला
And you made yogurt also. You mix yogurt.
है,
My God, yogurt.
काली मिर्च से डाल दिया
They made. I can't know. Black pepper नहीं. No black pepper.
तो अनेक प्रकार की जो है सब जो है देखो
Black salt it is. So mix up all these things. There is a beautiful, very tasty mango juice, and it will be so tasty.
और लोग तो भाई आम तो खाते हो हैं? किंतु कभी कभी आप आम के जूस भी बना
So every day you are taking mangoes. So someday you should make also the mango juice. So in the same way, so in the context we were talking about,
और भक्ति रस
there is a difference between bhakti and bhakti ras. They both are not same.
ये रस तब होता है तब इन चार प्रकार के इंग्रेडिएंट
So when ras comes, when four kinds of ingredients mixed up or collected,
सब वो भक्ति रस
then it becomes bhakti ras.
चार प्रकार के सामग्री क्या है
What kinds of that four ingredients? Vibhav,
अनुभव
Anubhav, Satvik, Vyavachari.
सात्विक
Vyavachari or Sanchari. These are four kinds of ingredients.
प्रकार के विभेद आदि भी दिखाए गए
Mango juice, mango shake, mango juice, whatever you can say.
एक होता है आलम्बन
One is Alamban and Udipan.
फिर इसे कहता है ये आश्रय आलम्बन और
And
ये
there are two kinds of alam, Ashraya alam and Vishya alamban. Huh.
इसी प्रकार
In this way,
सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स देखो कितने होते हैं 49 टाइप
so there are 49 kinds of ingredients and then ras made.
इसके प्रकार हम लोग आलोचना क्या करते हैं
Silence.
उनका
There are 49 kinds of ingredients.
मिलाने पर
Scroll down and silent. Mobile data.
महाप्रभु कार्य देखो
Near mobile data.
आपके भक्ति रस के लक्षण सूत्र में कोई उनका ये सुना रो भक्ति रस के लक्षण
So Mahaprabhu is saying to Rupa Goswami Pad.
भक्ति रस सिंधु रोमांच है देता हरि कोई बिंदु केवल तुम्हें टेस्ट करने के लिए एक बूंद
So just taste a little drop of that juice.
जैसे आप रसी बनाते हैं
Just like you prepared kitchen,
लोग रसी बनाते हैं
there are two kinds of peoples making kitchen rasoi, Vedi marg and Rag marg.
कैसे बना ठाकुर जी कैसे देते
So Vedic mark they just cook and they used to give to Thakurji. Just like
ऐसे ही
whatever they have cooked, they have given to Thakurji.
हर ऐसे ये ठाकुर जी भोग लगा कभी भी भूल गए
Sometimes they have forgotten to taste the namak. Sometimes they are putting so much salt. Sometimes there is so less salt. But the Rag Mark Bhakt, they first taste, first the little taste that it is proper to offer Thakurji or not. It is less salt or high salt. So they after that they offer to Thakurji. So in this way, Rup Goswami Pad saying, "Hey Rup, taste a little, one drop." And Rup Goswami Pad tasting that, and what he did, Bhakti Rasama Sindhu. So after tasting one drop, he has written Bhakti Rasama Sindhu Ujjwal Nirmani.
उनकी भजन की प्रभाव से महाप्रभु के कृपा से
So by the mercy of Mahaprabhu,
सब कुछ उसकी अनुभूति
so he realized everything.
जैसे हम जाते
Just like we used to go Ter Kadam, Rup Goswami Pad,
पेड़ के नीचे बैठ
under the tree, he was writing Granth there. So when they were writing the meeting grunts and they were writing the shlokas of meetings, so all the kadam vraksh, there were so many beautiful flowers, there are so beautiful green leaves there, and there is a beautiful fragrance was everywhere. So the koyals were cuckoo there, the peacock were dancing there, everywhere there is beautiful atmosphere. And when Rup Goswami Pad, he were writing the separation modes or shlokas, so at the time what happens, all the leaves of the trees falls down and all the trees becomes barren. All the trees were crying. So the transcendental poet, they are showing this kinds of activity. They were showing this kinds of activity. So the Rupa Goswami Pad is the transcendental poet. So he used to observe all these kinds of things, and so there are many kinds of feelings is manifested in his heart. So when he remember one shlok and he takes so long time to write the shlokas, Rupa Goswami Pad written himself. So in the Radhika Ashtak, he wrote. What is the meaning here actually? So he was describing about the hair of Srimati Radhika Rani. By the instruction, by the order of Lalita Devi, Roop Manjari, so with beautiful flowers, so he plucked beautiful flowers, and after plucking them, he made a beautiful garland, as like our Ramanan Prabhu used to make some garlands here and offering to Thakurji. In the same way, Rupa Goswami Pad, what he did, so he plucked so beautiful blossoms flower from the gardens and made the garlands, and after that what he did, he put that garland on the hair of Srimati Radhika. So Radhika Rani, at that time she was looking so beautiful. So seeing that kinds of Saundarya Madhurya, so peacock ashamed themselves. When everybody expresses the pleasure, when the peacock spread his wings, have you seen the peacock? So you have seen many places the peacock in Vrindavan, Varsana,
मधुमक्खी हो जाते हैं।
Durvasha Rishi Ashram. So when the peacock spread his wings, so it looks so beautiful.
काल में ये सूर्य उदय के
So
पहले
early in the morning,
देखने आ जाते
he used to come in the fields
हैं। और इतनी सुंदर
and he spreads his wings in a beautiful way and he was dancing.
अपने गर्व को मस्त
They feel them so much proud and they showed everybody that look my beautiful form, how beautiful wings I have.
किंतु देखो वह मोर
So but look, that kinds of peacock, when they saw the hair of Shrimati Radhika, so first Radhika Rani's hair is so long and so beautiful. Our Rupa Goswami Pad is describing when Radhaji she walks somewhere, so if somebody sees behind her that there are black clouds is going chasing the clouds which are raining, so that kinds of clouds following Radharani. So her hair is comparing like that clouds. So Radharani has so this kinds of beautiful hair. Her hair is so long, like from head to below the knee. When that hair decorated with so beautiful flowers, so at that time the Saundarya of Madhurya of Shrimati Radhika Rani, who can describe? So we cannot describe by this material words. So that's why in the Madhurya Kadamini Granth, when Sadhak he reached at the stage of Bhav, so when he took the darshan of this kinds of darshan, so he ashamed himself and said, fire on me, I have wasted my life. There is a beautiful mountain, huge mountain, and I was comparing that mountain like a chana. I compared that Himalaya like mountain like a chickpeas. So in this way, Radhaji she has so much beautiful Saundarya and Madhurya, and I have compared like that Radhaji's hair with this material things. So all these material things after some times they all will be vanished, all destroy. So when the flowers keep in the touch with the trees, it looks so beautiful. And after some times what happens, that flowers get destroyed. We used to say the most beautiful fragrance flower is Raat Ki Rani. Have you seen that kind of flower? Raat Ki Rani. So in the night time it blossoms so beautifully and fragrance is so nice. And but when the sun is rising, so before the sun rising, it went down, it destroy. So how you can compare? So whatever the things you are watching in this world, these all are temporary and destroyable and changeable. So everything, your body, complexion, everything is destroyable and changeable here, or temporary. If you see that there is a little brother, a little boy, he grows up, he become youth, and he become older, and gradually then he left the body. So this is the process of this world. But in the transcendental world, everything is stable, everything is permanent and ever fresh, youthful form. So the youthfulness is there is permanent. So the Katha we were describing, Rupa Goswami Pad was describing. So the Radhaji's hair is the flowers which are putting in the hair of Radhika Rani, it's looking so beautiful. And seeing that beautiful flowers in the hair of Radhika Rani and the form of Radhika Rani, that peacocks are feeling themselves ashamed how beautiful Radharani is.
बालों कितने सुंदर से और लज्जित हो जाते कहाँ ये और मैं कहाँ
So peacocks think themselves, where is she and where am I? Then Rup Goswami Pad in another line he is reciting, writing the shloka. What he is writing? By the instruction of Radhika Rani, Bolo Om Vishnu Pada Shtotra Shashim Bhakti Vedanta Shri Madhav Maharaj ki jai. And then Lalita Sakhi is making the betel nuts. What Radhaji did that time? She gave that betel nuts to Krishna, and Krishna is chewing that. And when Krishna was chewing that betel nuts, so the Krishna's other hosh, the upper lips, is becomes red. And seeing that Radhaji is seeing the upper lips. So upper lips is called Adhar Hosh. So that lips are so beautiful reddish. Radha is thinking in her mind, the Krishna's upper lips is with so much red aura that there is so much anurag towards me. What are the symptoms of anurag? Anurag, parasparanu sneshula vandanam. Darshan atraptita. So how much you take the darshan, so you will see, you want more and more. So in this way Radha ji is relishing the beautifulness of Krishna, and she is looking the upper lips of Shri Krishna. It's look like the bimbo fruits. And Krishna has a different feeling. What he is thinking? And Radhaji is looking for my remnants. She would like to take my remnants. If somebody is taking prasadam, and so some people are watching for their remnants, that when they will finish, when will I take the remnants? In the same way, Krishna was thinking, Radhaji would like to take my betel nuts remnants, what I am chewing this time. So in that way, Krishna, what he did, so he is giving his remnants betel nuts to Radhaji. So there is a Vaishishtya of love in Radha Rani's man. So when love mature, that is when it comes sneh, and sneh ke baad, after sneh, this is called man. And man is, there are two kinds of man, hetu and ahetu, means causeless and cause. One is Lalit Man, Udatt Man. One is Lalit Man and second is Udatt Man. So Ujjal Nilmani, all these things Bhakti Rupa Goswami Pad is described in Ujjal Nilmani. So for the shortage of time, I am not going so further. So when the time will come, I will describe all this katha. So what Krishna did, when Radhaji was looking for the upper lips of Krishna, so Krishna was thinking, she is looking my betel nuts. So Krishna has given his betel nuts to Radhaji. So Radhaji got man that time. And what she did? So she got the man and she turned her face. And seeing that, what Krishna did? And Krishna hugged the Srimati Radhika Rani and he kissed on the cheeks of Srimati Radhika. So there is a beautiful lips sign was there on the cheeks of Srimati Radhika Rani. So that's why our Rupa Goswami Pad is saying,
आप पढ़ते हैं पहले ऐसे सुंदर लीलाओं की दर्शन करके
So after taking the darshan of this kinds of beautiful leela, so I will do the kirtan in the Sakhi Samaj, in the society of Sakhi, group of Sakhis. That's why our Bhakti Vinod Thakur, when he observed in Bhav, he was doing this kirtan. Yamuna Plain, Yamuna. So Bhakti Vinod Thakur is describing his feeling in this way. When Radhaji is going for filling up the water into the Yamuna ji. So after taking this kinds of leelas darshan, he will do the kirtan in the Sakhi Samaj, before all the Sakhis. So how beautiful feelings are there. Bhakti Vinod Thakur, how beautiful kirtan he was writing. So he was expressing his feeling by all these kinds of kirtans. So this is called Aprakrit Kavi, means the transcendental poet. So the Srila Rupa Goswami Pad and Bhakti Vinod Thakur, they all are the transcendental poets. So when they were reciting the shlokas, and so they observed in so much in that kinds of feelings of that shlokas, who can describe that? They used to be meditated on that kinds of leelas. Gurudev used to say, especially at the Ter Kadam, when he used to go there, so he used to describe so many beautiful Harikatha. When Rup Sanatan assembled at that Ter Kadam, and when they were taking the shlokas of the Bhagavatam and expressing their feelings, so Rupa Goswami Pad explained the one meaning of that shloka, and Sanatan Goswami Pad is explaining another meaning of that shlokas. So hearing that katha, Radhaji herself took a form of a little girl and she came there. And so Rup Sanatan was so much busy in discussing, and they were not pay attention on Radhaji that time. And Radhaji said, and that little girl said, so my mother said this, that rice, sugar and milk to you can make the sweet rice. But those people, Rup Sanatan was so much observed in Harikatha, they were describing, let's suppose they were describing the shloka of Janmadasya Yatonvayadrita. So they were describing and explaining the meaning of these shlokas. So they didn't pay attention on Radhaji, that little girl. So when one bhakt meets with another bhakt, so how beautiful bhav they were expressing. So when somebody meets with the premi bhakt of this kinds of bhakts, so bhav comes from the internal. So Srila Rupa Goswami Pad is giving one explanation, and Sanatan Goswami Pad is giving another explanation of that shloka. So hearing that katha, Radhaji Rani is sitting herself. First she said, I am giving you this rice, sugar and milk. You make the kheer. But they didn't pay attention. So what Radhaji did? She sit little so far and she made the sweet rice. So from making the kheer, where she got the pots, where she got the chula, where she got the sticks of wood. So from the Radhaji's, so Radhaji is the manifestation of all these kinds of things. So all kinds of Riddhi Siddhi who take the shelter of Srimati Radhika Rani, and she is the origin of all kinds of Riddhi Siddhi. So those kinds of Riddhi Siddhi, they took the form and they are praying before the Radhaji, hey Radhe, please give us some service. Please give us opportunity for service.
बर्तन आ गया,
So just Radhaji desired, so everything manifested, appeared there. The pots, the chula, the sticks, the wood, everything. And she was boiling the milk and made the kheer.
कुछ हो जाता है? आज किंतु देखो
So
रामाजी ठीक बना,
Radhaji was making the sweet rice for Roop and Sanatan. She is not making the sweet rice.
दोनों भाई जो कथा की करते
So she is not actually just making the sweet rice. She is hearing the shlokas of both brothers were discussing. Just let's suppose when they were expressing the shlok Janma Dasya. Who are the Adiras? What is Adiras? Adiras means Shangaras. Our Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, he has explained this shloka so much. So they have explained this shloka on Madhurya Ras Madhurya. So what to speak about this? So both brothers were discussing about this shloka each other, and Radha ji, for hearing that katha, she is sitting there. So that's why I'm telling Rup Goswami Pad, he is the transcendental poet, and he is the Kripa Patra of Mahaprabhu. Without the mercy of Mahaprabhu, so who can manifest it, this kinds of bhav in this world? That's why it is saying Janak Yam Kali Rupa Sharir na Dharai. There is a poet named Madhav, so he has described in the about the Rup Goswami Pad. So we will discuss all about these things. So after 3-4 days, Rup Goswami's Thurobhakti is there, Disappearance Day is there, which is called the Jhulan Yatra Festival. Especially Gurudev, every year on the day of Ekadashi, he used to swing the Thakurji, and then after that he used to go to Vrindavan, and he used to take the part in the Jhulan festival there. So only Pujari used to stay here, and all the Brahmachari like a bee, they used to chase Gurudev and went to Vrindavan. So when Thakurji sit on the swings, somebody performed a little bit kirtan, and after that performing arti. Every devotee, all the devotees from this mutt, just like a bee, they followed the Srila Gurudev. And Gurudev used to go to Vrindavan in Rup Sanatan Gaudiya Math, and he used to speak so beautiful lines, Hari Katha there, and Brajvasi peoples, they used to sing the kirtans of Jhulan. So I remember all these things. So when those days will come, Raj. So our Bhaktivinoda Thakur, क्या बोल रहे? So this life is going on. That's why our Rupa Goswami Pad is describing. So when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was dancing before the Rath Yatra, and he was expressing his feeling after raising his hand, and when Srot Damodar, when he was explaining the shlok Yako Maravan Hara, so according to the bhav of Mahaprabhu, Srot Damodar was reciting shlokas according to his feelings. That's why our Rupa Goswami Pad, he was writing in the Kirtan Ashtaka. So when the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will give me the darshan, then when he was dancing before the chariot of Jagannath, raising his hand, how beautiful bhav he was describing there. So in the same way, Srila Gurudev will
उसी प्रकार ये
will speak this all kinds of Hari Katha again, and he will give this kinds of remind this kinds of all darshan again.
और प्रेमानंदी
गौर प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि बोलो। जय जय श्री राधे। श्री रूप गोस्वामी पाद की जय। Now Maharaji will speak. Okay, so we will see you tomorrow in the morning Hari Katha, maybe around 6 o'clock. Okay, between 5:30 to 6. So you have to be ready. Hare Krishna.